Hello people, happy Monday. So I am gonna go ahead and make my life a little less painful with some iced coffee now. I've said before in the past that iced coffee is not my jam. And I just wanted to spice things up because mommy bought some caramel sauce. And let me tell you, I don't know how y'all be doing this at Starbucks, all you baristas, but more power to you because this is the second time I do it and I'll never ask for extra caramel again a day in my life. Granted, y'all's is fancy and all that, and mine got like stiff because it's cold. I don't know. Shout out to the baristas. Obviously, next is ice. Let's just fill it up all the way to the top. And then what I like to do, I don't care what you like to do, this is what I do. I'll pour in my creamer. Probably like that. We'll start with that. And then we'll finish off with the cafecito. Yummy, 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 yummy. That was about 10 ounces of coffee. And like I said, iced coffee really isn't my jam. Let's give it a little sip, sip. Ooh, that was nice. That was splendidly nice. And that's pretty much it. Yard work time. It's off to work we go. Now, you need direct sunlight in the eyeballs to fight that depression. It's true. Get it in there. I brought my sunglasses for when it starts to irritate my soul. But you need that light at least how much?
An hour.
An hour. Oh my God. So let me get my hour's worth. Yeah. It's not even warm. I'm cold. I'm freezing. And this iced coffee is about to hit. I'm about to get hype. All right. Immediately got to work. And the only downfall about my stihl FSA 45 is that battery life isn't all that great. I knew that buying it. I knew that like from the get-go that it was only going to last like 30 minutes. Which in all reality should give me enough time to like trim, you know, edges and all of that. But then I go ham. Like I just go ham. I don't even have time to drink any of my iced coffee. So I don't want it to die completely because if it dies completely, it's going to take about 3 hours or so for it to recharge. So working on the next project, not me fully. My brother is going to, you know, do that and that. But this ivy is annoying. I guess this is what would be considered a vlog, right? So Victory Monday. Yeah. I'm going to get my hedge trimmer and go to town with that ivy because I hate it. My dad loved it. He ain't around no more, and neither will that thing be.
Real fast, 30 seconds.
This is how my brother tries to convince me about doing things. For those of you that know, yes, PJ is alive and well. He back there. I guess I'm gonna cut some trees, even though that wasn't my plan, but here I go. ¿Cuál? ¿A dónde?
She wants to cut across the whole thing, just to that level.
What do you mean, like right here?
Yeah. No necesita de eso. Drop it on the head.
Wasn't that what you guys are here for?
No.
What do you mean no? What the fuck? When you're here, I help you.
That's it.
Period. I'm putting olive on the top.
No.
I'm gonna do it. Executive decision.
So we're not trimming it, we're just don't leave.
So what happens when you don't pay people? So that's the damage, right? It looks like this now. She naked. And this one is like, wah. That was supposed to be my project. Cleaning of the ivy. I don't know if I'm gonna take it all completely down, but this tree